Hey guys, Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your local Seattle, Tacoma chiropractor. I'm here in the South Puget Sound area, and we have Cassandra Lynn here, and that's actually, she found me on YouTube and decided to come in for care. So I'm going to turn it over to you to just share why you came in here and what your experience was.
Okay. I came in because just some pain from work related and coming in, and we've had chiropractic care previously and we've been out of it for a while and found you on YouTube. And so figured we'd give it a shot, and everything's been going well, and this is the second adjustment and I feel really
A lot better.
Yes, a lot better.
Had a really good chiropractor in Colorado as well, I understand. So a lot of great chiropractors around, guys. Sometimes you have to shop around and see who fits you. Chiropractors are sometimes, like I say, shoes. You got to try us on to make sure we're the right fit. And I say that. So Cassandra Lynn also has a YouTube channel called?
It's Cassandra Lynn.
There you go. That's Lynn with L-Y-N-E, if I have that right. So you're excited for your adjustment today too, Wyatt? Yeah. When's the last time you were adjusted? When you were in Colorado?
Yeah, I only did it like a long time ago.
It's been a while.
It was about the last time.
But the one I went on was go up like this.
Oh, the table went up like that and then it went down slowly? Yeah. Mine does a little bit different, doesn't it? It stretches your back. That one didn't stretch your back. That just kind of helped you get up and down.
Yeah, up and down.
Up and down. This one does up and down too, but except you lay on it. Alright, how'd you do after the last adjustment, Cassandra?
I felt really pretty good.
How long did the treatment last?
I'd say I started getting sore again about 2 days ago.
Okay. So definitely more than 5 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which was good.
Alright. I'm going to use the massager on you, and then we'll get, as some of the people call it, get cracking, Doc. How's the pressure? Wait, did you have school today? Yeah. No.
Once it's on full, I start school.
I was gonna say, he was already asking me when school's over. I was like,
No, you want a break already? I thought you just started.
Yeah, but I just did. And also, every single time once I'm there, I have to do early care.
Oh, you have to go earlier, don't you?
Yeah, so I have to go to a big kids school, and then
Lay on this side, Cassandra.
then I go in early care. We call
2 or
it
3 days a week.
You have to go in early. Everybody's just waking up then. Other way.
Yeah, you do that about 2 or 3 days a week, depending on how early mommy has to go to school. Or up to work.
Take a breath. Release the breath. Good. On your back. And we're going to cross the arms in front of you. Take a deep breath in. Release the breath. Some good cracks there. Breath in and out. We're going to go a little bit lower. Breath in and out. Still some knots right here. This is only our second visit though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, relax your arms. You can stop hugging yourself. Big breath in. Thank you. Good. Didn't you have a sprain to this ankle or something you told me?
Yeah.
Wasn't this the one?
It was in, there, and it was my left knee and left ankle because
Okay.
of high school.
Left knee.
Yeah.
Anything torn here before? Nothing that you
My
know?
meniscus.
How bad?
I don't remember the exact severity of it. It wasn't too bad. No surgery or anything like that was required with any of it.
What sport were you playing?
Tennis. I was gonna say it was
Whoa.
tennis.
I know. You gotta watch out for the eject button on these tables sometimes. Feel like a cartoon, I press it and off you go.
I didn't notice that thing could just get longer.
Oh, it does other things too. Look at this, Wyatt.
Whoa.
Ancient chiropractic secret. Mm-hmm. All right, let's have you sit up and face that way for me.
Okay.
Sitting up nice and straight. We're gonna check
Do
shoulders.
you do the same on other people?
I do different things, different times. Yeah, I have they're similar styles.
Yeah, but I was much smaller than the one to go up. I was so small that.
You were smaller then,
Yeah.
and now you've grown quite a bit.
Yep. You know how old I am?
Nice ink here. I see that you have someone's name very special to you. Huh?
Hey, but do you know how much year old I am?
I'm sorry.
Do you know how much year old I am?
Fill me in on
How
that.
much year old I am? How old you are?
How old I am?
No, how you?
How old you are?
Mhm.
I'm gonna say 6. Was I right? Oh, did I guess it?
Yeah.
6?
Yep.
Going on 7?
I know. I just turned 6 in June.
Yeah.
Well, you got a way to go to your 7 yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Good job. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good job. We're gonna check Wyatt next.
Okay.
So, thank you for watching, guys. I'm Dr. David Warwick, your local Lacey Olympia chiropractor here in the South Puget Sound area, Seattle, Tacoma. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.